Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal license practice questions. Hello once again. It's now multiple choice set 24 and would like to start right away to question number 1. Two fans operated in series will have blank: A same CFM, B squared CFM, C double CFM, D quadruple CFM. CFM is the cubic feet per minute of airflow. And the correct answer is A, same CFM. Number 2. Two fans in parallel will have A squared CFM, B doubled CFM, C triple CFM, or D half CFM. Correct answer is B, doubled CFM. Number 3. Air changes per hour for bathroom ventilation is A 35, B 30, C 10, or D 20. 20 is the correct answer, letter D. Number 4. Buoyancy increases as combustion gas temperature A increases, B decreases, C remains constant, or D none of the above. Correct answer is A, increases. 5. Oil separator removes blank percent of oil that circulates. A 70%, B 98%, C 75%, or D 80%. And the correct answer is B, 98%. Number 6. Diode allows current to flow in blank direction. A any, B 2, C multiple, D 1. Correct answer is D 1. Diode is it's like a check valve, one-way valve. So it allows current to flow in only one direction. Number 7. When resistance of contactor coil is 0, it is blank circuit. A open, B bridge, C short, or D resistive. Correct answer is C, short circuit. Number 8. Closed type condenser is not internally driven by motor. A false, B true, C sometimes, or D none of the above. Correct answer is A, false. Number 9. Oil trap is required at the discharge line if vertical riser is blank feet or above. A 8 feet, C 6 feet, B 6 feet, C 5 feet, or D 4 feet. Correct answer is A, 8 feet or above. Last question. Number 10. Which is used to improve the starting torque of motor? A resistor, B capacitor, C diode, or the tachometer? Correct answer is B, capacitor. Okay, there you have it. Hope you learned something. Cheers and have a good one. Take care. Happy reviewing.